Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series, video number 33. Today we were talking about the ratios and proportions. First of all, we have to know the definitions of ratio. The ratio is a way of comparing two or more variables. So we have it written as if we have A is to B, then we'll have A colon B or A dash B. It looks like the divisions, so it also can write out at the fractions A over B. Proportions are written at two ratios in terms of fractions equal to each other. So this called proportions. You have ratio of P over Q and the ratio S over T equal to each other. Okay, so P is to Q, S is equal, okay, that equal to S is to T. Now they want to solve for S. Solve for S means you isolate S. So want to isolate S, you want to take off like the T at the denominator on the right hand side. So to do that, we multiply both sides by T. So T divided by T is 1. Then you have S times 1 is S. So we rewritten it as S equal T times P over Q. Just a reminder, this one S times 1, okay? So any numbers multiplied by 1 is that numbers. Now we also can rewrite this one as T times P is P times T over Q. One more note here is T. You can write out as T over 1. Any number divided by 1 is that number. So in this case, we can just explain as S equal T is T over 1. Then we use the multiplication between the fractions is multiply P over Q. So it will be top to top, bottom to bottom. Or we take the numerator of the first one, multiply by the numerator of the second one, divide by the product of 1 and Q, which is the denominators. Okay, so P times T or T times P, we have to write down at alphabet orders to let it look better. So P times T over Q times 1, just like S times 1, right? So Q times 1 is Q. So for example, we have variable X and Y are directly proportional. Directly proportional means wherever you increase, you have X and Y value. Wherever you increase X value, you will increase Y value. If you decrease the X value, you decrease the Y value as well. And how much you increase or decrease is belong to the K factor or a constant. So in here, they will give you the first relationship. If Y equal 2, when X equal 3, right? So you have the relations when X equal 3, your Y equal 2. So based on this one, you can find the k factor because you know that directly proportion. So this is the formula for it, y equal kx. So you plug in y equal kx and your y is 2 equal k times 3. Okay, so k is equal to 2 over 3. In this step, you divide both sides by 3. So this one is gone. It means 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 times k is k. Okay, so this one divided by 3. Both sides. Have 2 over 3. Here is okay, k equal 2 over 3. Then you plug in the formula. We have y equal 2 over 3 times x. Now they're asking when x equal 9, what is y? So we use the complete formulas with k equal 2 over 3 times x right here. Then y equal 2 over 3, and they say when x equal 9, we plug in 9 here. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, multiplied by 2 is 6. Or we can do 2 times 9 divided by 3, that's 18 divided by 3, that's 6 as well. Usually our 2 times 9 is 3 times 3 over 3, then I cancel that, and then I will have 2 times 3, that's 6. So either way, it will give you the right answer. We were talking about proportional, directly proportional, or inversely proportional in the next video in detail. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.